Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of this Nifty Nabber, or the green grabber as we call it in our house. So it's simple. You have a plastic handle on this end. When you squeeze that handle, these two claws come together. These work really well to grab things because they're precise. You can see the teeth fit together closely, and it's all rubberized. So you've got some good tracking in here. My dad gave this to me when I was pregnant because it was hard to clean up the house with my belly bending over to pick things off the ground. So I'm going to show you a demo of how I would use this to clean up the floor when I was pregnant. Here's the green grabber in action. So I can pick up really small items like this measuring cup. I can do larger items. Here's a big water bottle. We'll move it to the counter. Clothing, really simple, that you can put right into the washer if you're in the laundry room. And even this large salad bowl, this device can pick up a lot of things that help me clean the house. It's 36 inches long, and I'm 5'11", I'm almost 6 feet tall, so I'm able to get things off the floor with this height. So it really works for almost any height, and it's a product I recommend.